Welcome to Spices and Aromas. I am Rovina. As you know, my jackfruit platter includes amazing 22 items, of which the recipes for 7 items was shared in my previous video. The link is mentioned in the description box. To make it more clear and manageable, I had to break it down into 2 videos. This is my third episode on Jackfriuit Mela. Let's dive into the process and create some mouth-watering treats. Please do like, subscribe and follow my channel for all the updates on my upcoming videos. Watch my video till the end so that you don't miss out on any tips that I share. Let's check for the ingredients and let's get started. For the batter, I am using 2 cups of parboiled rice which I have previously soaked, 4 to 5 cups of jackfruit, 1 cup of coconut. Add some salt to taste and grind all the ingredients to prepare the batter. I am not adding any jaggery while grinding. Instead, I have prepared a separate coconut jaggery mixture. So the batter is ready. Now let's start our preparation. First, I am going to prepare a plain steamed cake or patholi. Here, no jaggery is added. It pairs wonderfully with chicken sukka, which is a Aarti special delicacy. Also, it's a perfect option if you want to avoid sweet consumption. In this video, I am using the lighter side of the leaf. The reason it gives a beautiful design on the steamed cake after steaming. In my previous video, I had stuffed the batter on the other side of the leaf. Now I am going to prepare a stuffed steamed cake with coconut jaggery mixture. I have previously prepared this. I have used 1.5 cup of coconut and jaggery as per taste. To make this stuffing, simply melt jaggery and add the coconut and cook for 5 minutes until well incorporated. You can store it in the refrigerator previous day so that it becomes easy for preparing. Wet your fingers and prepare the stuffing as I show in the video. Remember to keep a cup of water beside you, which helps in stuffing the steamed cakes. Also, follow the process as I show in the video for folding the leaves. Since we use the same batter for preparing all the items with just slight variations, I have clubbed it into one single video. Now let's carefully fold the leaf and keep it aside. If you love jackfruit delicacies, please write to me in comments. Next, I am going to prepare a cone using the jackfruit leaf. So if you want to see the process, I have another video which I have done previously. I will share it in the description box. Meanwhile, I'll just keep the steam pot ready for steaming. The jackfruit cone is ready. Apply the batter inside and stuff with a coconut jaggery mixture, and also I have some jackfruit pieces that I have fried in ghee. So I am using both to stuff this. Stuffing these fried jackfruit pieces gives an amazing taste. I just can't explain. You have to just prepare and experience it. Once you are done with the stuffing, cover and seal the top of this cone using the batter, just as I am doing it in the video. I just have a suggestion for you. Do not prepare all the items at once. Enjoy each item at a time so that you experience the taste of each and every item. Now I will show you how to prepare 3 types of steamed cake using turmeric leaf and banana leaf. Apply some batter on the turmeric leaf and stuff it with a coconut jaggery filling and seal the edges on the sides. Now spread some batter on another turmeric leaf, add the stuffing and garnish it with some jackfruit pieces and fold it on the opposite direction. I have done the same thing with a banana leaf. My steam pot is ready, so let's steam these parcels for 30 to 40 minutes. Now I am going to prepare my favorite and most delicious item in this platter, the stuffed Jackfruit Bhakri. To start, place a banana leaf on hot tawa, wet your fingers and spread the batter. Add coconut jaggery filling and fold the bhakri as shown in the video. Fry on both sides until golden brown and crispy. I would like to share another tip with you here. All these jackfruit delicacies are served with butter or ghee. They simply taste awesome. While preparing these yummy delights, I just got some new ideas. Why not try some dumplings and knead dosas? At the end of the video, I have also shared how to preparing these new creations. So please don't leave the video in between. Wait and watch till the end. Fry the bhakri on slow flame. Do not fry it on high flame because the outer cover may get roasted and the inside may not get cooked. I will transfer the remaining batter to a bowl and let it ferment overnight or at least for 5 to 6 hours. At this stage, you can add jaggery. I haven't added jaggery. You can see how well the batter has fermented without any fermenting ingredients. In case you want to have the idli or dosa with some sides like chutney or curries, then it is not advisable to add jaggery. If you want to have it without any sides, then you can add jaggery while fermenting. I have greased the idli cups with ghee. Now first I am going to prepare a plain idli without adding anything. Now this is the second idli cup. I am going to add some filling to this and then pour a little more batter on top. So this is the second variety. Next, I am going to steam some batter in the jackfruit leaf cup which I have already prepared. I will share the link for preparing the eco-friendly cups in the description box. So you can check the video on how to prepare different types of eco-friendly cups. I will now steam these idlis in the steam cooker. I hope you are enjoying watching this video. Please hit the like button so that I know who is watching my video. Our idlis are ready. Let it completely cool before we enjoy it. Now let's prepare the dosa. I am using my cast iron tawa for this. To get the tawa ready, splash some water on it and cool down slightly. This helps the batter to spread more easily. Apply some oil and spread the batter. To get a crispy and crunchy restaurant style dosa, you need to use a good quality cast iron tawa. If you want to buy the same tawa, I have mentioned the link in the description box. Apply some ghee or coconut oil and let it cook for some time and then turn over. Cast iron tawas are the best compared to any other tawas. It's just that you need to maintain it. I will mention all the details of maintaining it in the description box. Our crispy crunchy dosa is ready. You can also prepare soft dosas by just pouring 1 or 2 ladles of batter and not spreading it. Now I am going to prepare the paniyaram, or we call appe in Konkani. I just greased it with some oil. After few minutes I am just adding some jackfruit pieces which I have previously fried in ghee. Let it cook for some time and then I will apply some ghee on top and turn it over. Since I got busy with my work, this got slightly over fried. So just take care while you prepare this. Now it's time for my creations. I am going to prepare the jackfruit dumplings, or in Tulu we call it pundi or mutli in Konkani. You can also add jaggery, but I haven't added here. After grinding, I have put this batter in a non-stick pan and just dry it for some time so that it becomes easy to prepare the dumplings. I will place these jackfruit pieces on top and steam it. Trust me, these jackfruit pieces tasted so yummy while having the dumplings. Beautiful pundis are ready to serve. Finally, I have the star of Manglorean cuisine, the neer dosas. I just thought of giving a jackfruit flavor to it. I just ground half cup of parboiled rice and added just 4 to 5 pieces of jackfruit. Do not add more fruit as it may become difficult to take out the dosa from the pan. And there my neer dosa is ready. Enjoy it with your favorite curry or chutney. I also prepared some stuffed knead dosas using the coconut jaggery stuffing. Since we have added fruit to the batter, these dosas have come out extra soft, so handle them gently. So I'm done with all the preparations. It was a bit hectic, but finally we enjoyed it. Our delicious spread of 22 items of jackfruit delicacy is ready to serve. Thank you so much friends for your patience and watching my video till the end. Please write to me in comments about your views on this video. As I said earlier, do not prepare all the items at once. Prepare each item at a time and enjoy it. Since it takes a lot of time in preparing videos, I did not prepare 22 different videos. I have tried to make one video and give you an idea of preparing all different jackfruit delicacies. If you like my video, please share this with your friends and write to me in comments. Jackfruit is a seasonal fruit and during the season you get plenty of this fruit. You can always store it in the refrigerator and make this delicacies throughout the year. Please write to me in comments which is your favorite jackfruit delicacy among the 22 items in the Write to me in comments which is your favorite jackfruit delicacy in this platter. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.